how to print automatically the header or footer on documents when you print them out. Now in this example I'm going to use a Premium Law Edition which has lots of add-ons installed which can do this. I've added 3 different file types: JPEG, TIFF and Word document. For this example you can use other image files as well, like Excel files, PowerPoint, etc. To do it with these 3 files, left mouse on the file type, JPEG. I'm going to go add-on setup. In here you can put what header text you want. Now to do a file name, you just want file title in square brackets. This can be found on the website like the doc add-on, and then you just copy and paste that in there. You can put other things in there as well, and any of those information as well. So that one's set up ready. Now I'm going to do the next one. Same again. And the next one for the Word document, slightly different. You can do it first page only if you want. I'm going to do it all pages. I'm going to do it on the left. Save and exit. Now you can automate this so it does it automatically when you add new files. But I'll show you the print first. Click print. So I'm going to print to an XPS printer so I can show you on screen. So that's the 3 files printed. So if you go to the folder now, if you open one XPS, you can see that it's put the file name at the top. And the next one, let's put the file name at the top. What was in here? English.tiff. And the next one, the Word documents, jokes.docx, and it's got the jokes.docx. And it's that simple, really. Now to do it so it does it automatically when you add a new file, if you right mouse on say the docx, do copy add-on parameters to clipboard, OK. You go down here, you can go to the doc add-on, which is what you want for this one, blank that out and just Ctrl V to paste. So that's the new settings for that. So every time now you add another docx file, for example, I've just added a new file here. It's already got the add-on parameters set. You can scroll across and you can actually see the add-on parameters across. So that's now ready to print. If you right mouse add-on setup on it, you can see that it's set to print on the left and file title, and it will do that for any file that's added new. You can change settings for each individual files as well, and then you just do the same with like JPEG and TIFF. So JPEG, you right mouse, add-on setup, and then when you're happy with that, you right mouse, copy add-on parameters to clipboard, click yes. Now in the image add-on, which is this one, this covers lots of different formats of images like GIF files, PNG files, bitmap files. Just copy and paste that in, save and exit. So that's set up now. Do the same with TIFF. Copy add-on parameters to clipboard. Go into the TIFF add-on. Copy and paste. And that's all set up. So if I scroll across now, I can actually see the settings. You can see that there's file title in there for those. And those are all set up, ready to go. Give it a try.